这是一只山猫，它能通过辨认极其微弱的声音来捕捉猎物。为了避免踩雪的脚步声暴露行踪，它用岩石当落脚点。
A mouse. But one is not enough. The deeper the snow, the harder it is to detect prey, and the rewards for the effort can be disappointing. By midwinter, the snow is so deep that bobcats are forced to leave their territories to try and find easier hunting. Throughout the winter, the river is full of food for those who know how to catch it. Here, even the coyotes have become fishermen. But hunting is hard for a cat that's not used to getting its feet wet. So he must choose his target with care. Here, steam from the river warms the surrounding trees. So up in the branches, there could be prey. If only he could get to it. It's 20 feet up. At last, a squirrel. Not much, but enough to keep him going.